Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So as I'm sure you can tell from the thumbnail and the title, today I'm going to be testing the clothing brand Misspap. I have actually tested this brand in the past and loved the items that I tested, so I'm really excited to see how all of these items fit and what they look like. I have chosen a few extra pieces, a few pieces that are a little bit out of my comfort zone, and then I've also thrown in there just a few pieces that I thought looked cute because since I last went on Misspap, they seem to have really stepped things up a notch. Everything looked so cute. I was struggling not to absolutely overfill my basket, so I have got a lot of cute pieces to try on with you guys today. And also this video is actually sponsored by Misspap, which means I have a discount code for you. So the discount code is Jazzy62. I will have it on the screen for you. It means you get 62% off of your order for the next 2 weeks from when this video goes live. I will have everything linked down in the description, including the link to Misspap, the discount code, and everything that I show in this video. And I do want to quickly say, things go out of stock pretty fast and new things are dropping all the time. So if you do see anything you like in this video, be sure to go grab it now. And yeah, we're just gonna get started. Okay, this next item is kind of simple, but also has a little added extra something that I don't know how I feel about. So I've actually seen this trend on a lot of clothing websites, and Misspap seems up to date with all of the trends. This is a top with shoulder pads. I don't know how I feel about it, but I wanted to try it on. So it is, from what I remember, a pretty simple little crop top, but with shoulder pads. And I just don't know how I feel about them. I'm a little nervous to try this on, but at the same time, it looked really cute on the website. So this is what it looks like. As you can see, it is a kind of, would you call it taupey, maybe? It's a stone coloured little loose fitting crop top with kind of a crew neck, and then it has in there these giant squashy shoulder pads. I don't know how to feel about this, but we're gonna try it on. We're gonna see what it looks like. So this is what the crop top looks like on, and I'm having a whole lot of trouble deciding whether I like this on me or not. I feel like I definitely like the colour more than when I held it up. When I held it up, I thought, I'm not too sure about that colour. Now it's on, I feel like this stone colour with the jeans, I really like. And then the length of the crop is good, and it fits me nicely. I don't know how I feel about these shoulder pads. I honestly can't decide. On one hand, I feel like they accentuate my waist, and they give me a nice shape, and they feel very model-esque. But then on the other hand, I'm like, I don't know what's happening here. Do you know what I mean? You're gonna have to let me know in the comments what you think of this top. I'm honestly stuck. I kind of love it, and I just don't know what's happening at the same time. So the next item isn't so much extra, but it's just a little bit more out of my comfort zone. So if you guys have seen me in my day-to-day life on Instagram or anything like that, you will know I am an avid skinny jean wearer. These are distressed, ripped mum jeans. I don't believe I own mum jeans, and the whole ripped jeans thing, I have like one pair of ripped jeans and there's just a little rip along the knee. These jeans are quite ripped. I just feel like this is a little out of my comfort zone. I want to try them on. I want to see how I feel when I'm wearing them. I'm not too sure if I can pull these off, but I just really wanted to try them because they look really nice. They also feel like good jeans, so we're gonna go ahead and test these out and see what they're like. I feel really kind of fashionable in this outfit. I feel like it's really simple, little crop top, jeans, my kind of attire, super simple, and then the shoulder pads and the rips make it look fashionable and on trend without me going super far out of my comfort zone. This looks like an outfit I'd see someone in and think, you look really good, you know what you're doing. Even though it's technically a t-shirt and jeans, which is my idea of, yes please, I'm comfortable. Do you know what I mean? These jeans are also really comfortable. They fit really nicely. I wasn't expecting them to fit quite as nicely as they do. And then the rips aren't so out of my comfort zone. And this outfit, I just feel like I look like I know what I'm doing. And I really don't. So I'm happy, and I'm pretty sure you'll see me wearing this around at some point because I feel like it looks really cute. I think this is a little one shoulder top maybe? Oh no, okay. This is a little pastel blue crop top with a whole lot of mesh detailing. It actually does have booby pads in it, which I was not expecting at all. And then a kind of little corset ruching style detailing around the rib cage area. It looks so cute, but I just don't know if I can pull it off. However, if you watched one of my recent videos, I tried on a bikini that was off the shoulder and it was all ruched, and I ended up freaking loving that bikini. So I'm hoping this is gonna go in the same direction. I'm just not too sure. So this is the top. It's comfortable, it's airy, I can move around in it. I just don't think it suits me. I just don't feel like this is something I'd wear, and I just don't feel very confident in it. I love the colour of it, and I kind of like it from this angle with a little mesh bag, but just from the front, I just don't feel like it suits me. I don't feel like I'd really wear this, but I still feel like it's a really cute top and has such potential and would look so cute on someone else, just not me. Okay, I think this is the dress that was just a little bit out there, but I just really wanted to try it on. Wow. Okay, so, okay, I don't know where I'm going with this. Okay, it looks so cute, but I just don't know if I can pull this off. It honestly looks like a little princess dress. The sleeves on it genuinely make me think of like a ball gown style dress. And then it has a really cute little sweetheart neckline, and as you can see, it is all like ruched and please fit me, please work. Okay, so this is what the dress looks like on, and this is my favorite item from this haul by far. This is adorable. I'm actually in love with this dress. It is so cute. Honestly, I thought it was gonna be a little bit out there, a little bit extra. I don't feel like it is. I feel like I could put this on with a pair of pumps and just look pretty kind of casual, but also with the right necklace and a little clutch and super nice heels, look really fancy. And it's pastel blue, and it's bodycon, and the zip did up a dream, and I didn't need help with it. It's got a really cute sweetheart neckline, and it's just the right length, and it's soft, and I can't believe this dress right now. I'm so happy. I'm kind of in love. Like, no, okay, I'm in love. Okay, this item, I just really want this to look cute on me. It looked so cute on the website. I'm really praying, fingers crossed, that it looks cute on me. So it is this little one-shouldered bodycon mini dress in blue. I love the color, and then it's got this little like mesh detailing across it, which adds a little layer of polka dots. It adds a little bit of ruching around the side, and then obviously the sleeve is the little polka dot mesh material, and I just thought this looked so cute. So I'm just really praying that it looks as cute on me as it did on the model. Okay, so this is what the dress looks like on. I really like it. I'm just not 100% sure on this sleeve. I weirdly feel like when my arm's close to me, it looks really nice, but then when I do this, I don't know how I feel about the sleeve. The rest of the dress, however, is really cute. I like the length of it, I like the color of it, I like the little polka dot mesh over the top. It also fits really nicely. Like around here, it's fully tight everywhere it should be, and I did have a moment of panic where I thought it wouldn't fit me. However, there is a little zip down the side, and that made things a whole lot easier. I do love that it is one-shouldered. It feels really nice. I'm just not 100% sure on this sleeve, so let me know in the comments what you think of this sleeve. But apart from that, this is really cute, and yeah, it gets a thumbs up. Okay, this item I'm so curious about. So this is, I believe, a little bodycon dress, and it says on it cap sleeves. Now, a lot of you, if you've watched my channel for a while, will know that I do not like cap sleeves. However, in the image, it didn't look super cappy, you know? So I thought I would just go ahead and try this and see if I can get away with it, because it looked like a really cute dress. This is the dress. As you can see, it's kind of a peach color. It is ribbed, and then down the front, it has this little, I don't know what you'd call this, but you pull the bottom and it sort of ruches to make it look all fancy. And I just thought it looked so nice on the model, so I'm really excited to try it on, but I am, now that I'm looking at the sleeves and holding it up, a little nervous about the cap sleeve issue. But we're gonna try it, we're gonna see how it goes. Okay, so this is what the dress looks like on. I am so happy with it. I actually feel like for once the pink goes. I know I get a lot of comments saying that I don't really suit pink, but I feel like maybe for once this pink is a good pink. I really like it. I also, as I said, don't feel like these sleeves are that capped. I'm actually really happy with the length of the sleeves. I don't feel like I would call them cap sleeves, and I'm really happy with them. Then the fit of the dress is really nice, it's very comfortable. I like the little ruching detail down the middle. I'm just not too sure about this part. I don't know how I feel about it. I feel like I didn't question it at all when I saw the model, so I feel like most people wouldn't necessarily question it. But when it's on me, because I can feel it on my legs, I'm just not too sure how I feel about this little tie. I kind of feel like I'd want just to sew it out the way, maybe. I'm not too sure. Let me know what you think in the comments, but apart from that, I really like this dress. I think it's really cute. Okay, this next item, to me, is very extra. This is a little, like mini skirt chain thing that goes over a bikini, and it looks kind of cute, but also, what is happening here? How do you get this to stay on you? Does this have a... I'm very confused. Oh, wait. No? Is there a... How do I get into this? What is happening? I do not understand. I'm not too sure how you get this to stay on you and open and close. I'm assuming once I've got it on me, maybe it will make more sense. But it's all interlinked and like, just, I don't know what's going on here. Oh! One moment. There is a little clasp here. Wait a second. There's a little clasp here, so I'm assuming you can do this up to however tight you want it. Maybe? I'm thinking. I have no idea how this is gonna look on me, if this is gonna fit me, and it does seem very extra. It's like you're wearing a lot of jewelry to the beach, which I don't think I've ever done before. Okay, so as you can see, I have changed into a little bikini, and we're gonna try this little skirt on. Falling. It's ever so slightly gold. Okay, so this looks weird. So this is what it looks like, and then I feel like these two bits tie somehow. Oh, no, yeah, that would work. So I've managed to tie this at the side. It's got a little clasp, kind of like a necklace, and it's sitting well. I feel very Shakira in this. I feel like I kind of want to do a little belly dance and make a little bit of noise. Now that I've got this on, I actually kind of like it. I wasn't expecting to like it at all. Now that I've got it on, it's kind of cute. I feel like a magpie. I've seen something shiny and I'm just like, that's cute. I also like the fact that the hem around the bottom, if you can call it a hem, has kind of like a petal detail. It does look kind of cute. I was not expecting to like this. I don't think I'd necessarily wear this anywhere because I don't often go to beach parties or festivals. But if I were to go to one, I got another little mini dress. I feel like I'm still stuck in summer and it's coming up to autumn. Okay, this next dress is in no way, shape or form extra, but I just thought it looked cute and it reminds me of a dress that I already have that I love wearing because it's so simple. The outfit's done for you. It's kind of like a t-shirt. I think this is a sweater dress, but mine's kind of like a t-shirt dress. It's really simple, it's comfortable. So I saw this and thought, we're gonna try this out. So as you can see, it is just kind of looks like an oversized tee, but it is more of a sweater material, and then the waist does have little ties at the side, so you can obviously make it a little bit tighter around your waist and give yourself a little bit of a figure. I just thought it looked cute. We're gonna try it on. We'll see what it looks like. Okay, so this is what the dress looks like on. As I said, super simple, kind of looks like an oversized tee, nothing much to it until you tie this into a little bow at the back, and then it's a whole new outfit. It's just so cute. I knew I was gonna love this. I love the length of the sleeves. I love the shape that it gives me. It's super comfortable. I like the color of it. And then if I'm not feeling bodycon, I can just undo these and tie these at the side. And it's just a really easy little comfortable outfit that you can throw on and wear. And then if you do feel like you want to upgrade just a little bit, you can just cinch it in around the waist, make it a little bit bodycon, and it's just so cute. I'm in love. I love this. Okay, so that is it for today's video. I really do hope you enjoyed. If you did, give it a thumbs up for me. Let me know what you thought of all the pieces down below, and I will leave in the description a link to Misspap, my discount code, and a link to all of the pieces that I tried on. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you soon. Bye.